How are you? Today we're going to draw the flag of Switzerland. You can see it has a square shape and inside it has a Swiss cross, which is the symbol of cross in a white color, and around it we can see the filling borders will be the red color. So let's start the coloring first here. Now we're going to put the red colors to all over the spaces. Let's start the drawing with the red color. All right, after filling up the color, the symbols is going to be clearly visible and the flag is going to be done. Okay, you can see the different types of textures here on the paper because of the variations in paper surfaces. So color is getting different texture, which is actually looking nice. It has a special effect on the outlines. All right, if the color becomes the fully solid, like the 100% solid, then maybe it looks like a monochromatic or some boring things may come, but these variations making it more lively. All right. Okay, so it's the Swiss flag, national flag of Switzerland. This is a very nice and easy drawing. I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.